Okay children, when we drink this ORS water, what happened? We gain energy. That means we gain water in our body. Okay, we have water in our body when we take a ORS. So doctors suggest when cholera is arrived to us, they be sick, they told always drink hot water or either we drink lemon juice or boiled rice water or this ORS water. So they help to gain water content in our body. Okay. Now we know how drain water, what they do if we use. Okay. What happened? Disease like cholera disease will be occur to us. So next, polluted water. What is polluted water? The water is due to waste material present in water. If waste material like, what is this waste material like? Vegetables, waste material, meat, waste substance which we thrown to us, such water thrown to water, such water is called as a polluted water. So what is this? Waste material which are present in water. So such water is called polluted water. So now we drink polluted water? No, right? We does not drink any polluted water. What happened? So the disease like cholera will occur. So drained water means also a polluted water. Have you seen some? What is a lake? I take here as a lake. What happened? The lake is if pure. This is like a clean. We are used for all sources or all purposes. We use it, right? If a lake is polluted, how it can be polluted? By using waste material or throw some meat, some waste vegetables. If we throw some chemical which are produced by chemical factory. So what happened that time? The lake color will be changed. So, right? Have you observed some greenish lake? So we cannot drink, right? So that time the lake will be polluted. So the polluted lake or polluted river we cannot use in our purpose. Okay. So we know what is polluted water. Next, how water is purified? How water is purified? So by using boiling water. What is this? Boiling water. So what happened if we didn't boil the water? If we drink unboiled water, then we became sick. Why? Because the water, there may be a contain of waste material. We can't see our eyes. Okay. Sometimes we have some bacteria are present or some small waste particles which are present in water. We can't see in our eyes. So that time we should always boiling the water. Second one, use filtration. What is this? Use filtration. How you know filtration? Have you filtered? Yeah. So I told, say if we put some water through this. This is one towel will be there. What is this? Towel. So if I put some water through this towel, and collected in a mug. This is mug. Have you observed children? This is mug. What happened? When you put water, the only water is passes through it and waste material like small particles which are located here, which are present in here. So these are waste material. Where it will present? It present in towel, right? So this is maybe a polluted water. So this may be polluted things. So now this is a filtered water. What is this? Filtered water. Then use chlorine drops. What is chlorine? It is one of chemical. What is this? This is one of chemical. What happened? if we use any chlorine content or this chemical, the polluted water having some bacteria, right, which are harmful us. They became provide some harmful diseases to us. So if we put some this chemical, the bacteria will be dead. So we use chlorine drops to filter the water or to purify the water. So now you know how water is conserved or purified by boiling the water or using filtration or use some chlorine drops. Have you understood, children? Yeah. Next, have you seen drain water? Have you seen drain water? Yeah. In our home, in our kitchen, there is in sink. So we washed our hand. What happened? The washed water. The water. We washed hand in sink, right? What happened? The washed wastewater is, there is a connection pipe. They are wastewater. The wastewater have a moved to outside. So this water is polluted or not polluted? Yeah. The hand washing water is always polluted. So we can't use again for drinking purpose or cooking purpose. Right? So if we use that, there will be occur some disease like cholera or any other disease. Have you understood, children? Yeah. Next study. Here, there is a column, there is an activity. Have you all seen that? Yeah. The source of water, or it may be polluted or not polluted. If polluted, reason for pollution. What is the reason for pollution? What is this? If I take lake. So in near my places, there is a lake. It is not polluted. What is this? Not polluted. So we need a reason for pollution. No pollution, right? So there is a no pollution. So no polluted and there is a no reason. If I take a river, have you know rivers some near places? Yeah, I told Kumaradhara or Payasvini, etc. So these rivers may polluted. How? Because the cities have a waste materials they thrown to a rivers. What happened that time? The river may polluted. So people throw waste material to river. What the waste material? Like waste vegetables, waste meat, waste chemicals which are produced by chemical factory or some waste things. So they may be polluted the